Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to tag someone on Facebook story. If you're using Facebook and now you want to tag someone to your Facebook story, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Facebook app and here just select create story and here you have to select story which you want to add. As I'm going to add this one, so just tab on this and here you'll get the tag people icon. Just tap on it and here you just have to select the person which you want to tag. As I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it, then tap on done, and that's how you can easily tag the person. As you can easily move the person name, then select share. So that's how you can easily tag anyone on Facebook story. The person you have tagged will be notified to being tagged. So that's how you can easily tag someone on Facebook story. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.